Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sai Charan and you are watching ENK Learning Talk. Let's start today's question. Show first name and last name concatenated into one column to show the full name. So as usual, select from patient's table. So usually concatenation means adding up of two strings. So let's say there are two different names, Sai, Charan. So we need to concatenate into one single name. So first Sai should come and then Charan should join it. So to do such type of things, there is one facility called concat. Concat. So concat of first name, comma, let us give some space, and then last name. Last name as full name. As full name. Full name. So let's try running it. Yes, we got correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more content.